I guess today we'll try to understand a very important function of Google Sheet, wherein Google Sheet has been improving its features to make the life of a data analytics person or any individual who wants to get some insights on his data a bit easier. Let's explore the functionality that is called column stat, which is available in the data menu, column stats. Once you click on column stats, on the right hand side, you will see a new window opens up, which provides you statistics on the column which is selected as of now. So wherever you place your cursor, the entire column would get automatically selected. Or you can select your column from the column selector, which is available here. So you can see this column selector available. Now you can choose the column by just moving clicking on the arrow buttons available on the right hand side of the column selector. If you want to ignore certain rows, I can say I want to ignore the first row. So I'll just ignore the first row because my first row is a heading. So it is again considering my heading also in the calculations, which is incorrect. So I'll remove the header. So this is how you get your column stats. Now these are all text columns. Now if you see there is city, state, country, all are text columns. That's why you are not able to see the distribution because distribution is only available for numeric entities or numeric columns where you have numbers in your column. Then you can get count for both. So you can easily analyze that France has come once in this entire data. So and Italy also it has come once, USA has come four times. So if I click on USA, yeah, it automatically gets highlighted. If I click on United States or hover my mouse pointer over United States, it will automatically get highlighted for you. It will show how many times it is occurring in your column. So that shows your column stats. Yeah. If you want to sort it ascending to descending least, if you want to see the most you want to see, so if you say, so USA is fourth right now. Four times USA has been available in this data. It also shows you the number of rows which are being selected in this column. So there are 1,000 rows. There are 991 rows which are empty. So we currently have only 9 rows of data. Rest other rows are empty. So that's why it is showing as empty cells. Unique values are 4. Yeah. Which you can see here as well. France, Italy, US, and United. Even though they are repeated in this entire data, but the unique entities, that's USA, United States, Italy, and France are 4. So there's a total number of 4 countries that we have. So that's unique values. Yes. So this is how the data is being presented for text values. Now this can change based on the column that you select, as I said. So if I try to select a numeric column, so if I go to my previous data and select sales, yeah, or I select quantity on a simpler note, you'll be able to analyze here that there are 3 rows which has 2 as the quantity. If I go and select 2 here, it will highlight the 2 rows where we have 2 as the quantity. Same way, 10 is repeated how many times? Okay, 10, it's 2 times. So here again, I can see it is 2 times. So this is nothing but graphical representation of the frequency which is shown below. Now the graphical representation shows you all the entities which are available in this column, whereas it will here most and the least will show you only the top five. Yeah. Again, since if you go to the least, it is showing quantity as well, which is incorrect. So that's why we need to get the first row to be ignored since it is the heading. Now, when you try to see the least, it will show me 4 as the least. So it's only occurring once. So if I want to see the most, so 2 is occurring thrice. So if I hover it, I'll see. Now the most important thing that you need to look at is when you are selecting a numeric column, it will not only show the rows, it will not only show the empty values and the unique values which you saw during the text, it also shows you the sum of the entire row, entire column, average, median, minimum value, and the maximum. This is how you analyze the data. So this kind of analysis readily available while you select the data. This is, I think, the most important functionality of Google Sheet which they have added for a data analysis. Yeah, I can select any column. Even if I select a date, it will still show you my minimum, maximum, average date, sum of the dates, which would be incorrect to say, but it is more relevant to the numeric column. Yeah. So this is a very, very important function for any of the data analysis guy or whoever wants to analyze the data quickly. Yeah. And understand it to think and give your inputs or take some further actions. Yeah. What you need to consider while analyzing the data is, even though you have hidden some of the columns, rows, sorry. So even if you have hidden some of the rows, it will still give you the stats of those rows. As I said earlier, headers and footers need to be cleaned so that those rows are ignored while you are trying to calculate so that you get the accurate response. Yeah. So this is a very useful function for any person if they want to quickly analyze. I will say not analyze, but quickly analyze few components of your data like the mean, median, mode, the average, yeah, minimum and maximum value available in your column, yeah, how many cells are empty, yeah. So this is how you analyze your data. I hope you like this feature and you'll use it. Thank you so much.